Hey members, my name is Hayley and I'm with the Boys and Girls Club. Today we're going to be creating a reusable water balloons so we can have a fun summer while saving the planet. The supplies you'll need is sponges, scissors, and elastic bands. The first thing you're going to do is cut the sponge into 4 or more pieces. I'm also going to cut these sponges in half the other way just because they're a little thick. Now that we have the sponge all cut up, we're going to bundle them together and tie an elastic band around them. All right. Now you might need to fluff it up a little bit just to make it look a bit better. But there we go. Now that we've made our water bombs, let's go play some games. The first game is Water Bomb Dodgeball. You'll need 2 or more players for this one. Each person will get the same amount of water bombs, and the goal is to hit the other player on the opposite team without getting yourself hit. Let's watch them play. The next game is Water Balloon Tag. Whoever is it carries the water bomb. If you get hit, then tag you're it. The last one is a relay. You'll need 2 different buckets, one filled with water. Place each bucket far enough away from each other that you can run. You're going to take the water bomb and try and fill up the bucket with water as fast as you can. Let's watch them do it. Look at them go! Awesome job, guys! Thanks for joining me in the fun. Catch you next time.